YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to remove camera from Netvue Bird Feeder. So guys, if you want to remove the camera from the bird feeder, so guys, first of all tilt the camera. So guys, place your finger on the front of the camera mode and tilt it gently forward. It will swing downward within the housing. After that, disconnect the wire. So unplug the solar panel cable from the top or back of the camera, then unscrew your fastener. So guys, tilt the camera forward a bit more to expose the thumb screw securing the device to the frame. Then guys, unscrew the completely while holding the camera with your free hand so it does not fall. After that guys, pull the camera straight out the housing. Then guys, why you might need to remove it? So guys, you need to access to the USB-C port to fully charge the camera battery. After that guys, remove the module, allow you to easily clean out the seed, debris and the wash to the physical feed. Then you may need to access the reset button or the serial number. So guys, thank you.